Hi, in this tutorial we'll be talking about inline styling. So let's have a tag, p tag, and write some text and save it and refresh it, and we can see we have the text which is in the default color, size, font, and now we want to make some changes in it. So we have to include some inline styles. So how to do that? You just have to space and then type style, and then you have to enter all the inline styles. So let's say color has to be pink, background color has to be white, which is already there, so let's make it gray. And then we want the font size to be, let's say, 50 pixels, and save it and refresh the page, and we can see we have all the three changes made. So we have the font size, which is 50, we have the background gray, and we have the font color pink. So only in the HTML document we made the changes and it is reflecting. So this makes it really easy to use. All you have to do is go to your HTML document, find the tag wherein you have to put the inline styles, and then use the HTML property, and then enter all these styles you want. The pro is that it's really fast to do. The con is that if you're having, let's say, 10 different inline styles, then it is really hard to maintain, or it is really hard to maintain in a very large web project. So in case you are not having 20 different inline styles in 20 different tags, then you can use inline styles. But in case there is, then it's really hard to maintain, and it is very time consuming activity, because then you can always have all the style definition in your style.css or any other style css files, which saves a lot of time. So always keep that in mind, that in case you are using it for once in a while conditions, then okay, you can use inline styles. But in case it is a large web project, then it's really hard to maintain it, so don't do it, because else it will waste a lot of time. One of the most important things about inline style is that it gets highest priority. So in case you're having multiple style definition across different css files, and you don't want to replace them, but to override them, then in that case you can use inline styling. So go to your HTML tag and then make the changes, make that inline style there, and it will override all the previous definitions, because as I said, it gets the highest priority. So inline style gets the highest priority. You don't even have to mention important, it will take care of it. So this was a brief introduction about inline styles. We can just cover one more thing, which is margin, in case you want to. So let's say if you want margin to from top, let's say 30 pixels. So yeah, just refresh it, and we can see we got 30 pixels margin. How to check if that is 30? You just have to go to your Firebug and then inspect element, and from layout we can see we have 30 as a margin. Yeah, so you can increase it, you can decrease it, whatsoever you want it to be. So let's see. So inline style is very easy to use and is very user friendly, so try it. All you have to do is go to your tag and then enter style equals to, and start writing all the styles you want.
Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for receiving more updates from Being Skilled.